What's up, guys? I just got me a Traxxas Max for Christmas. Thank you, Mom. She wanted to support the channel and support my dreams, so she was able to give me a Max. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this bad boy and see what this is about. Once I break this seal, I can't return it. So I hope I like it. What color is it gonna be? Oh, look at this. Look at that bad boy. Oh yeah, clean. This is also my first RC car, new one in 15 years. So all my other ones are old, and this has been the first one that I'm gonna be able to completely customize how I want. But we started with the blue frame here, got the blue shocks, blue body, and I've been looking forward to this so much. Let's check it out. Look at this. I don't even know how to take these bodies off with this clipless body. And it pops up like that. Cool. I'm guessing this slides forward. That's gonna be brand new to me. Never done the clipless body. Back. Oh, it comes back. Okay, that's how you do it. Little 4S system in here. Big servo. Motor already comes with a fan. Motor looks the same size as the other one though. Super clean. Let's throw a battery in and see what this bad boy does. So also came with a bag of goodies here. We got stuff for bigger batteries, smaller batteries, whatever you need. Let's see what else we got in here. I say, where's my remote? You are now Max. This looks so funny. Oh! And thank you, cousin Byron, for getting me the Traxxas link for Christmas. We're gonna throw that bad boy in here and see what I can do. Dang, she's sitting pretty up here now. Whole new system to me. I don't even know how you slap them in. I have no idea how you even do this kind of stuff. Push it in, flip it, stuff it, and push it over and then slide it back. Start this bad boy up and see what it does. Yeah. It's got a lot of torque. Good to go now. Let's go try this Max out. First drop. Oh, I already smacked. I already break something? I'm kidding. Man, I already got a scuff right here. This is the most beautiful it'll ever be right now. First new vehicle in forever. 15 years. Okay, she moves. Oh yeah, she moves.
Boop. Hi.
Oh, you want a little boop boop? Okay,
Oh.
well, that's the first crash.
Well, leave it to me for it to be the first crash. Never let your girlfriend drive RC cars, because this is what happens.
Got the wheelie bar all scuffed up already. That's gonna happen. Bringing it to the sand. Oh yeah. Already thinking we're gonna have to tighten up the shocks. Already got it a little dirty here. But let's see, we need to tighten up the shocks. Back up and running after we tighten up the suspension. This thing pulls wheelies in the sand. What up, homie?
What's up, dude?
Long time no see. Merry Christmas.
Blue is sick.
I just got it today. I just went and picked it up. Move out my way. Okay. Max versus coconuts. Nice Alaskan coconuts. Uh-oh. Hard stops. I smacked my wheelie bar. Nobody knows. This got, yeah, there you go. That was sick. Eric! Woo! Woo! Well, that's it for the Max today. Safe to say the Max after day one was absolutely amazing. Thank you so much, Mom, for this truck again. This is going to be one of the best trucks I've ever owned. Already got some paddle tires on here. Y'all see that for the next video. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see next. And maybe we might get a new truck. Woo!